This is the video for routines 104 and 105 of the last pick game. First, routine 104 sets XY to 15, 150, the color to 2, like a dark blue, font to 420, that's bold 20 points, and says the text click count. Then it adds a little to X and 48 to Y, sets the font to bold, point 43, and then it places a number in the text, the click count. And then it says, show the text. And here it says it's a 5. And then it goes home. Well, let's look at the screen and see what it was doing. It was putting this click count there in a dark blue and then showing the number 5 below it. That's what it was doing. Now I've highlighted routine 105. It sets T, tall, to 120, wide, same value, 120. Sets A to AG, remember that's the center of the upper left-hand picture. And then it subtracts 61 from it. Oh, that takes it from being the center to being the side. And then it also sets C to that value of A. Then it sets B to the vertical position, and then adjusts it to be above that to where not the picture is centered, but to the top of the rectangle. Then it says Q to 1, that's the quill value. That's how wide the line's going to be that it's going to draw around each one of the pictures. Then it's going to set R to 0, and that's going to tell us when we get to the end of the row. Then we say for I equals 0, down here to I goes to 14, one at a time. And we set our X and Y to A and B, and we draw a rectangle. That is, we're going to outline a rectangle. Then it adds 120 to A, so it's moving to the right. Adds 1 to R, and then checks to see if it's at the end of the row, because after it's done 4 of them, it can't do any more, and it goes to FE if it can. If it can't, then it sets A back to C. Adds 120 to B. Well, that's the Y value, so it's going to drop down. Then it sets R back to 0 because it's on a new row, and it's going to count to 4 again. So this, I'll go to show you the screen. This is these boxes it shows around all of the pictures. That's what it was doing. Alright, that's the end of the video for routines 104 and 105 of last pick.